rakhi sidana te tongan ba ai hujik plan mayam tawri hujik si aina ano no plan mayam am su tawri akhoi ki khunai sida akhoi maru na mitai phurup sida amaga khanari ba amaga hunnari ba mitai phurum na ngasi malem dagi mutchiba ya ba adu ko khongkhom da leiba do madu kalhaurage na chongthokpa adu ko mi am sai hujik oiri hona akhoi hona ba lepa yade aduna chhatra khudingmak ngasi gi Alumni gi member khudingmak taina thamjaningi di nakhoi leiriba mafam aduda khwaidige na makok thongba khwaidige na mikok thongbodo madu oiba ngamba oyu haina ai taibung mapuda isu khurumjage khurumbana su yaroi nakhoi ju hono usini haidis ai gi mitside sida nakhoi na makok thongna leirambodo ai bo muktang uhanbiu maduna ai ge pen oijarage haiba adu wafun du ai nakhoi khudingta thamjari thawena nakhoi khudingmaktagi ai chana pamde lupa pamde kesu pamde nakhoi na phampham duda pajana phamlaga laibak wayan na leramba nangi na thaududa nang hena wanga leramba do matam duda ai gi ningba thungbodo oijarage hana taibang mapudai khurum jarage simtanga do wafam khari thamjaraga ai tension jarage aroi badaina thamjaningi ba wafam si mathangi Alumni gi sigumba ningol chakau bugum se tausira tauroisira masi warebam lagthosi adudi numitsi lepagadi yam phai ngasai lenin su har mugum tawi numisi lepagadi mayam se ngasi khangragadi delhi da leramasu adagi mumbai da leramasu akhoi gi Alumni gi function akhoi gi thoramdo june gi tang aduktani july aduktani september aduktani adoi tardi akhoi sumadu chuti lagu yaina matam si ngaira leidoineba adumai torga akhoi amtang punjan ba hadi imung amadagi thokiba macha ngaktani haibi wakhalon akhoi khudimak si imung sidi haropane haba wakhalon aduda khanmin naraga akhoi mathangi simadi karam matom no mayam lepiro aduga lepaga aisu aduda aina ngamba kari mateng pangjono aisu pangjarage angamba ngasigi Alumni gi member sing asina angamba pangbiro aduga yamna ningthiba ngasigi sidagi mamangi sahidagi handaki sahigi sina kharena chawkhaleinu ubada khara develop hoy ado mathangi dadi amuk hena develop hoigani na ai khanjai aduna masi matanga khoi numitse horen tanjama laruga laptop pi habadum tanga ai thamjage hojik phauda aina tawjaba kharadang aina thamjarabada ahan bada primary school ama linkhale primary dagi junior da upgrade tawre adagi junior dagi di high school upgrade tawre junior high school dagi high school upgrade tawre high school upgrade tawbadagi higher secondary ni hojik leiris hojik leiriba tangkaksi higher secondary ni adu ai taibang mapudai khurumjari ai ngamasu ojage mayamna soingonda yai phabudu pibiu ai B.Ed college amaga ai hapkacharage dagi B.Ed college ki mathangda nursing college nursing institute amaga ai tauge nai ai asa thamjari aduga amana ai hospital amaga sanana ba ai plan taujare hospital simta gai saba ngamjage simaga aduga mathangda hojikte college dem college adagi Kha Manipur college haina college tiji haina college khar sinatana angang singsi higher secondary si lora kanda college tampham si irai leitabugum tawi ojana nikthina niti niyom chumna moral education yauna like tambidabana maram warakanda ngasigi naharol singse moral si yaudre larik tamna ni sachare larik tamna phattaba thabak tawre asigumba mayamse masidagi kanbangamba ngangbangamba adugumba arts amasung science ki ai college amatanga ai likhat kena khali asagi wani ado ngamdaba habadudi taibung mapuna pibi gada thaudani aisi taibung mapuda khuramjage aduga lakpiriba ngasige khoigi outpass orba chhatra chhatri sing Alumni gi member khudingmak masima aingodasu hayeng support tawbiu akhoi si taibung mapuna khoida malem si tharakpasi karigumba nang khara tawron tharakpane aisu tawramge nakhoisu tawramo kaisu tawramdana nanga hangi baise hayeng nang ada changbada nang bara nang kaimto honarakte nang aigi bara pidaba yaron heng line bara thaudoini no aduna khoi kharka loi honaramji ai poklam bagine karigumba ai sosi gumba ma tawrami je ai su tawramge ai gi isa moina nakhoisu ne nakhoina ngamba saruk amamamdi nakhoisu tawbiramo mase mioi bagi lichatne wafam khasi thamaga ai khudingma pomana khurumjari mathangi numit ado akhoi taram na ngai minarasi Manipuri mana itai lebang na yai phare
Hello, hello. Thank you, sir, for your valuable speech. Actually, ahamba magtada ko ngasi second alumni ki program asi hagdoroki base. I dream se kaino matamda. I was, reading the story about Mark Zuckerberg who invented the Facebook. Magna Harvard University da tamingai matamda mana Facebook che matawgram da puthoroki gai matamda. Magi Harvard College se tamam student magi mayam se magi friend mayam se colleague mayam se pass out tawgra matungda hena relation phanabi da amaga ama connection tawna ba hona rakpada Facebook se mana tamna develop tawraga matam da mogi group of 5 or 10 friend circle later moje pau phongna banga me aduga magi policy se tamna sok thoga ngasi the world se dominate tawre Facebook na akoina America da even kari thoi have se Manipuri ki lega Facebook ke through de khang adubo Mark Zuckerberg na kan honaraga alumni ama magi student magi leiba kayo like mama na ba oja sing connection tawna ba hona ba dong ngasi gina now ba gina mayam je hona ba ida lengyan pm phange oja da gi because I get bucket list ama laije oja major sai nam tang kon ba na maram dai khong tang par ga khurum me ba ado ngasi gi tanja si loraga sar bom tang kon ba gi ai tanja sem ta log jage sir am tang kon jage sir se yam nung si sir se thank you sir sarna yamna pikna torak padagi ngasi di yamna soba sargi imperial amase me aitar mase we should not be jealous about sir what he is doing right now because he's the one who suffered a lot in his earlier age of time akoina sargi wari sibu to nainaro matamda khoi yam tin inspiration oiba sargi student oijaru badagi ngasi lepo phangaga myam gi mangdaga wangang manga mai se sardi gi tamjaba ngakani adubo matamna yarata badagi makha gi program asi tatha jage akoi Bala mem gi mamangda tribute ama utkane na ngasa idagi angang yamna laisabi ma isayam mati amai tare just 1 minute ki isayam tang tawge na ngasa idagi ngai leibane kauthok chari yamna laisabi pharabi aigi laisabi do marage aigi de hairo laisabi haidokraga mo aigi amma do hairate mo yamna meamna no aneba adana kauthok chari athoibi dagi meam maman yamla ba dang samtang lominas
Yana basso chat lamsi ngai hak thêm na ba yada kani ma khonsu khada bu kisan raga
Thank you so much, Athoibi. Ngai kisi yam phajare yamna phajaba dance yam hairami kamai toin side. Program ke makha satrak poina akhoi khwaina ngasai dagi ngai ga leraba akhoi mid the star bala dagi wahong pahong khara tawraga balana ngasi ge alumni se lakpada kari thamoi dagi kari apamba khanbi ge amasung akhoi na hangning ba question ka do hangaga interaction ki program am ten tak nam tang thamse aduna mayam bala gi damakta da hauroba khopa khubira ga stage ta nonglung nan ningsing jere bala bo ko khoche. Hello. Yariko. Tanjadu la banana ujikti pakat pa mayor. Tamoida. Haujarage hamba mase akoy balamem na hay tayo.
Interview ki hang baga mali ka naw.
Just interview de ke khara hianjin bane hay je. Hamba dai na balamem da koy ki short letter am tak pathok se it's just an open letter bala akoy ke balamem da akoy tek tawraga tharak patai na thengna ja bane. Hamba da
Kai da take
ase
to.
paraga soi thengna ne khangane kale. Paraga dum nixing birak pura do adum haibiro.
Okay, please carry on.
Yeah, I need to do that. Yeah.
You must.
At last, dear Bala, please stop stealing our heart. Please stop coming to our dreams.
Louder.
Last night, I told my girlfriends that she is more beautiful than you. Then she was like, "Are you mad?" Actually, I was joking, and I wanted her to say the same. Even the girls are dying at your personality, looks, everything. So, please think the situation of boys. Today I had to post this because you came to my mind while writing the semester exam. I was giving an example of a business organization. I wrote about the Ligla company of Manipur. Then everything was like Bala, 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 Re Bala. The invigilator woke me up from my dreams, and I was like, yeah, hell. And if today wasn't an exam, then I might be arguing with our teacher because she disturbed me. But I did not say anything. I completed my paper, and I did well. I wrote the paper in a happy mood because of you. After reaching the hostel, I opened my laptop and watched like Ligla ad again and again. At last, I would like to mention this. The day I met you, if I ever come across you and I get a chance to meet you, I won't ask for autograph. Instead, I will request you to give your biggest fan a sweet smile looking at his eyes, the same way you look at Kaiko in the last few scenes in Tavaton 2 movie. Maybe this will be the weirdest one you have ever heard from a fan. Oh God, only an angel can have this smile. And please do tell me your favorite traditional cuisine I cook nicely and out and less than a sip. I'm not even kidding. Appreciate your work. Please bring the Manipuri cinema out in the world platform with your class acting and killing looks. You would like to see you in the Oscar. We will really like to see you in the Oscar, I mean. They said they have Deepika Padukone, Priyanka Chopra. They said they have Kate Winslet, Angelina Jolie. And I proudly said I have Bala, the queen of Maniud. Yeah, you need to clap your hands. It's just a nice one, I guess. So thank you for taking our time and reading this. So if I have a chance, then I really like your biggest smile. I mean, you did in Tavaton 2 in Kaiko. So this is a letter which one of the biggest fans wrote to you. Did you remember this letter?
I remember very clearly.
Yeah, my question is that.
I have given a reply on that
Yeah,
status.
yeah, you have given the reply and so on. So my question is that when you first saw this letter, what did you feel?
Before answering that question,
Yeah.
I wanted to know, is that you or?
No, I'm not. I'm going to say that person.
I've started to see.
No, okay. I need to say this. That guy, he's among us. He came to see
Really?
you. Yeah.
Oh,
Who is that guy?
wow.
We want to see. Please raise up your hand. We want to see. Yeah, he is here. He is here. The one who came here.
Oh.
So you can ask whatever you want.
Oh my
She's here.
God.
Yeah, she's here.
Nanguira.
So, kay wakandagi sige letter si Igor na tamoy da kay pauge hujik pala uba matamda. Microphone tam tang check taw view magis.
Dati. Asing ba ra?
Mane.
Oh. Yeah.
Reaction ani sinaba yeng dus.
And see, ato aina hangning mo question mi among lay mo
Hoy,
ta hujik.
hangbiyo. Timing du yam tin interest lai yung ma'am yung kamay taw yung.
Ay na my girlfriend or mo ba hambra?
Yeah.
Ay lanta na lawyer ni ba?
Yeah.
Ha. Ato tau brava, toki brava si tau dogs. Lan ga tagi brava.
Landi dati.
Then she must be very understanding.
Sige pa pumje ay piwa nga moroy. Mande. Ay nga sige phongdok ningi ma am say miku masaam tang lo jage. Phongdok ningi ma am say Rosina phongdok tarage ma am.
Whoa, please give a round of applause for Ransan.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I think.
Thank you.
Wait. I think I should hug you.
Yeah, thank you so much. You're the best, bro. You're a lucky man in this world. You deserve it because everyone was impressed after reading this letter. Even most of the people, I mean outsider, those who live in our hostel, they were asking, who is Bala? And we said, she's the queen of Manipur. So what is your reply? I mean, she's your dream girls and she's sitting in front of you. What is your reaction?
Ay worry liza ke. Chithi to iro matung da reply di phang de. Ay hing ja tung ngai le adum. Chithi ja halaka jana. Exam chang matung da je 10:30 de exam je. Ada 10:45 ho je exam ibas ngam dre ba. Reply se lakara law drive wakal sida. Aduga ngaktang le matung da je wakal je adum chawm na ko dagi ibasan lo shal lagi adu tho age na 11:45 ta lo ge ta exam se 11:20 da thoi ma panda. Aduga phone ji check tawre ba. Aduga wakal ji sagat pa hore hal adi kamai to ba halak tadi kamai to ba. Ada live phau budagi ai ji Instagram je tum hangdo dum lai re pa ga. Adu daklo notification am live Bala Hijam commented on your post aina. Adu dai ai just Sarukan ni dumai na. Tawre ba sarukan feeling adu phau ba ai di.
Wait, we need to do that. Yeah.
Aigi biggest fan aigi kari hai tare exam manung du da kai gumba jam na gyom yam da du ki reply masa hai bidi yam magul leina phongdok pangam dre ai explain da so ngam dre masi
Yeah.
expression
Please give a round of applause for Ransan. Ransan ngasi di ning batung ne hai tare ngasi di. Thank you Ransan.
yeah thank you Bala Hijam J for hugging me and for your love and storing all the love upon me. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Ay di kay hayden kangdre da.
Yeah, I just can't. Yam hay bane mate.
Aina jeje matang na sharing oh mari ai jeje da yon jara ke
Yeah, it's more.
Sure, please. I would love to read.
Yeah, it's proof that there's many, I mean, biggest fan for you. I mean, it's proof, I guess. What is the
It's a-
reaction when some fan, crazy fan, they will react like this in front of you?
I will take it as a blessing from God.
Yeah.
See, these are all the respects and
Yeah.
blessings from all my fans and followers. And see, I'm very blessed that. Again, I can't express my happiness.
I guess you're going to cry.
Thank you for all
Okay.
the love.
We need to proceed question. I mean, you said you have short time, so I need to do fast. So, next
Don't be
question.
fast, be
Yeah.
slow.
Ah,
Act
I need to
slowly,
slow.
and I will reply it very calmly.
Oh my God, then I'll take time. I can
Please.
take up to next alumni meet, I mean, whole year.
And don't forget to invite me on your next alumni.
Why not?
function.
Every alumni, we're going to invite you. So please give a round of applause for this work. I mean,
I wish I were also a student of KM Blooming
yeah,
School.
and you talk about your, I mean, you have a friend who studied in this school
Yeah,
before.
I have.
So that
I have a girl,
you have a girl.
a girlfriend.
Yeah, yeah.
A friend who is the girl.
Yeah, I need to clarify about this. When one of my friend,
A friend who is a girl.
Yeah, I got
She's
it.
from Kangabok too.
Yeah, Kamuk too. Okay, I have a question about this. Yeah, it's so funny. It's so funny. Like one of my friend, he's a boy. Like same case, it's happened to you. Now you're speaking like he's a friend, he's a girlfriend. People thought like it's a girlfriend means that another sense. So for me, one of my friend, he called me and he said, "Who is that guy?" He's just my boyfriend. I thought they were thinking in the wrong sense. Kaya you know yam lana kalis a boyfriend because he's a boy. That's why he's a friend. That's why I'm telling boyfriend.
Hujikandi yamna vocabulary si yam samjana ko.
Yeah, we need to-
Ay imanabi ne, ay girlfriend ne.
Yeah.
Ay imanabi ne, ay boyfriend ne.
Yeah, sabdang ki betul yam na powerful oil. So we need to proceed this question. My next question is that, did you have any best high school memory that keep remember you till now? High school ke ngasi pau tatum ningsing aga lay ba itare memories.
Yes, there are so many moments.
So among that, you can say
So
one of them.
many memories to remember from my high school days, since I was in nursery.
Yeah. Okay.
See, my memory isn't that sharp, but
Oh,
hairagi ko matang matang.
Haibiro.
Ay nursery the Green Flower School da tame.
Hot.
Hanagi kano oiramba assembly oiramba thaina kang apat mamangi. Adoi da non Manipuri myamam tame da non Manipuri myam su tame ba non Manipuri man bi myamam le PE kan da adudagi hore English ngang da bada lupa mga fine lo bada.
yeah.
Like,
Okay. Yeah.
They hore. And then aduguma memories macam macam myam like kung ngakcha bado English ka ngang bado miss na go to toilet kan have the miss
Yeah.
kaya to ge ka have the pa mga galaw gi ba ko. Small things, and then adoy matungda ay kano da sensevio da tame
Okay.
lalambung da sensevio
Yeah.
adagi sensevio na mo uripok ta shift ta udo adu matam
Okay.
do bawai sensevio da tame
Okay.
and then I school yam honge and then sensevio dagi city Montessori school lang honge
Okay.
city Montessori school dagi 10 class 7 mok tame
Okay.
and then shifted to Kanan Devi and I completed my 10 and then again shifted to Manipur Public School
Okay.
and then I completed my 12th exam. These are the stories of my high school life.
Okay. I guess that's best, and it's quite similar with me also.
Oh.
Yeah. So my next question is that, like, can you describe what it's like to watch yourself on screen? Screen da yeng matam da akoi ge balagi thamoi da kai faw ge ba samna da akoi ge yum gumam da
Okay.
film guma yeng
Oh,
matam
what I feel about
yourself when you watch
okay.
you on a screen.
What I feel about myself when
Yeah.
I see myself on screen.
Yeah.
GT.
Matang pisi lagi ni.
Hoi, kaya tahu okay, yam siyang nahage hujikti kano faure. Si masi yang kan ko. Sa isi pazar zala ina si si bo and then sa acting je sa isi matang si pita ramati.
Yeah.
Kan ba hang bra. Ay si da kitang kol si kitang kan na kol ramati.
That's all.
Tumain kan le ha na hawrak padadi ko. Ha na hawrak padadi. Ikai ba?
Yeah.
Had baba ko baba lay kanda baba lay gider si lay kanda yung minna da ngam de muthalo kai ha is toxina chele ba ka. Ar hujik ti kem de ka even poster thela ma baw de ko. Kai de shoi jano se ngam ya jano na ad sigi wakalon de yeng.
Yeah, okay, that's great. So my next question is that, like, you have received Best Actor Award at Manipur State Film Festival in 2013 for Yasko Gipaka Ngangwa, and also won the Best Jury Award in 2011. So by Film Academy Manipur, that is PAM, and now you're getting Outstanding Achievement in Manipur Cinema. It's honored by our Alumni Association. So obviously you might feel something in your heart or mind. So can you please share after getting this award, and makata na sang nai continuously balagi career das award mem si pangam kay feel to week.
ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯥꯟꯅꯁꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ
ꯍꯣꯏ
ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯍꯣꯏ ꯑꯩ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯑꯦꯋꯥꯔꯗ ꯐꯪꯉꯝꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯐꯤꯜꯝ ꯑꯀꯥꯗꯃꯤꯅ ꯑꯩ ꯑꯣꯅꯔ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯝꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ
ꯍꯣꯏ
ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯐꯤꯜꯝ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯦꯇꯔꯅꯤꯇꯤ ꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯄꯤꯔꯛꯄ ꯅꯠꯇꯕ
ꯍꯣꯏ
ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ
ꯍꯣꯏ
ꯁꯪꯁꯥꯔꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯋꯥꯔꯜ ꯑꯃꯗꯒꯤ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯁꯪꯁꯥꯔ ꯑꯃꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯊꯕꯛꯁꯦ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯕꯤꯔꯒ ꯑꯦꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯁꯤꯌꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯕꯨ ꯑꯣꯅꯔ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯕ this is going to be the most memorable
yeah yeah
gift
yeah
throughout my entire life.
yeah ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯦꯋꯥꯔꯗ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤ ꯐꯪꯕꯗ ꯁꯣꯏꯗꯅ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯐꯥꯎꯔꯝꯒꯅꯤꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯦ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯗ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯊꯪꯒꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯋꯦꯁꯟꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯅꯧꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯃꯣꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯕꯂꯥ ꯃꯦꯝꯒꯤ ꯅ꯭ꯌꯨ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯖꯦꯛ ꯃꯥꯜꯂꯦ ꯏꯃꯥ ꯉꯥꯎꯕꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯐꯤꯜꯝꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯐꯤल्मꯒꯤ ꯔꯣꯜꯁꯤꯗ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯀꯟꯐꯤꯗꯦꯟ ꯂꯩꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯄꯨꯂꯤꯁ ꯏꯟꯁꯄꯦꯛꯇꯔ ꯑꯃꯒꯤ ꯔꯣꯜ ꯁꯥꯕ ꯃꯥꯜꯂꯦ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯐꯤल्मꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯀꯦꯔꯤꯌꯔ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯒꯤ ꯐꯤल्म ꯀꯌꯥ ꯃꯊꯪ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯐꯤल्मꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯂꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯔꯣꯜꯁꯤꯅ ꯇꯣꯞꯄ꯭ꯔꯥꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯋꯦꯁꯟꯁꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯁꯥꯎꯕ ꯁꯤꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯎꯠꯂꯨꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇꯕ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯦꯡꯒ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯐꯤल्मꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯎꯠꯂꯨꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯟꯗꯣ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠꯇꯨꯒꯤ ꯐꯤल्मꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯌꯨꯝꯗ ꯍꯜꯂꯛ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯕꯂꯥ ꯃꯦꯝꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯟꯗ ꯁꯥꯎꯈꯤꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯇꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯁꯥꯎꯔꯒ ꯂꯩꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯃꯦꯅꯦꯖ ꯇꯧꯒꯦ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡ
ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯕ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯗꯕ
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯐꯤल्मꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯁꯥꯊꯤꯕ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯁꯥꯎꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯀꯦꯔꯦꯛꯇꯔꯗꯨꯒ ꯆꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠꯇꯨꯒꯤ ꯐꯤल्म ꯁꯨꯇꯤꯡꯗ ꯇꯧꯔꯨꯔꯦꯕ ꯇꯧꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯐꯤल्म ꯁꯨꯇꯤꯡꯗ ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯌꯨꯝꯗꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯍꯜꯂꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯁꯥꯎꯈꯤꯕ ꯑꯦꯡꯒ꯭ꯔꯤꯅꯦꯁꯇꯣ ꯌꯨꯝꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯒ ꯁꯥꯈ꯭ꯔꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯇꯧꯈ꯭ꯔꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯌꯨꯝꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯃꯦꯅꯦꯖ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯁꯥꯎꯔꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯩꯊꯍꯧꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯈꯨꯗꯛꯇ ꯐꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯒꯦ ꯁꯤ
ꯌꯥꯝ ꯆꯨꯝꯃꯦ ꯅꯪꯅ ꯍꯪꯉꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯋꯦꯁꯟꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯦꯛꯠꯂꯤ ꯇꯧꯋꯦ ꯂꯥꯏꯛ
ꯌꯥ
ꯍꯣꯏ ꯑꯣꯟ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯇꯧꯕ
ꯍꯣꯏ ꯍꯣꯏ
on and off ꯇꯧꯕ ꯉꯝꯕ situation ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯀꯣ
ꯍꯣꯏ
ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯇꯤ ꯈꯔ ꯉꯝꯃꯦ
ꯍꯣꯏ
ꯉꯝꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯦ 10 to 20% ꯈꯛꯇꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ
ꯍꯣꯏ
ꯑꯩꯅ
ꯍꯣꯏ
ꯀꯩꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯦꯝꯕ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯑꯣꯖꯥ ꯂꯦꯛꯆꯔꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯥꯎꯔꯦ ꯈꯜꯂꯣꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯁꯦ ꯈꯔ ꯌꯨꯝ ꯍꯜꯂꯒ ꯋꯥꯒ ꯄꯥꯡꯉꯥꯡꯉꯔꯣꯏꯕꯀꯣ
ꯂꯦꯛꯆꯔ ꯁꯥꯗꯣꯏꯕ
ꯈꯤꯇꯪꯒ ꯂꯦꯝꯇꯛꯀ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯂꯩꯕꯗꯣ
ꯍꯣꯏ
ꯑꯣꯖꯥ ꯁꯥꯎꯔꯨꯕꯒꯤ ꯂꯦꯝꯃꯨꯕꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯔꯤꯒ ꯁꯦꯠꯂꯨꯕꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯔ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯑꯗꯩ ꯈꯔ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯒ ꯁꯥꯎꯔꯦꯅꯀꯣ ꯃꯧ ꯐꯠꯇꯕꯤꯒ ꯁꯥꯎꯔꯦꯗꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯃꯧꯒ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯗꯅꯦ ꯅꯨꯄꯥꯗꯒ ꯏꯁꯧ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯥꯡꯕꯤ ꯈꯣꯠꯄꯤ ꯏꯁꯧ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯥꯡꯕꯤ ꯃꯧ ꯀꯤꯕꯤꯒ ꯁꯥꯎꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯌꯥꯗꯦꯕ ꯃꯨꯠꯁꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯛ ꯇꯧꯔ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯁꯥꯎꯒꯟꯕ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯞꯀꯟꯕꯒꯤ ꯔꯣꯜ ꯀꯞꯄꯒꯤ ꯔꯣꯜ ꯇꯧꯔꯒꯁꯨꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯍꯣꯜ ꯗꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯨꯠꯇ ꯂꯩꯌꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯇꯔ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ
ꯍꯣꯏ
ꯑꯋꯥꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯑꯋꯥꯕꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯂꯩ ꯄꯔꯁꯅꯦꯜꯂꯤ ꯋꯥꯕꯗꯣ
ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯔꯤꯌꯦꯛ
ꯃꯈꯥꯅ that doesn't mean I will continue that
for a long time I mean for a short duration
that doesn't mean I will continue. I have to forget that and carry on with my personal things and see
yeah
be with my family and friends
okay
and all.
okay ade masigi film sida ige balagi mamana
Yam scientific oiba question hange.
yamna balagi men mamana su yamna help tarongani na khalle ade adjust tawna ba si mayam se ado mathangi je kamai to ge matamda khoige film ko ba yeng ba matamda any films other than your film haitar can you really detach with that film to that khoige thawai hakchang yauna lupsim ngambra haibidi mi khran haibele kaigumba particular film ama yeng matam even aigi hakchang gi mutai kap thuena aiji naw mani kai se kap thu haibidi kappa matam tai pi tar kap sa no pa matam ha ha ga laura ga no pa adu mai tar ga detach taw ngambra
adum tawe dude every film da every character sabu ko digi ko ai balane kawe ai ne tawise acting ne ai se heroine ko mini ko ai se film ko mini ko
yeah
tawsnai ni ko haibise sidi dum always time dum makeup hek tawsan graba ngasagi ai police habai dress oiro yum da laibagi sarambai dress oiro kon phengam bagi sarambagi dress oiro set chan graba like active service tawba sen uniform se sala no mai sala phandrok pa do mai phandrok pa do mai na koi su adu gi piram liba character du da dum lupsan gi
okay so my question is for next do you want to go back I mean to your lives before you become an star oi do gi mamang gi life to mana mo hanjin ba phaw marak marak ta haide
that's a very emotional question
yeah
Power.
Yeah, I guess I asked lots of emotional questions.
Lots of emotional question, scientific question, reality based, social based. Okay.
Question, the star oi do gi mamang da.
Hoi, power. Ado si kena ba se dum lai. Hoi khoi Manipur da yam kana paparazzi adagi adu da media na koi tan tanar lai ba khot ba dum mayam di tawde ko aina lambi shorom chat pa da yam ka hena mayam influence sai tare ne adu yam kanna budi phangde adubu khara makhai di dum phange ko sida adu da dagi
Yeah.
adu gi su yam harau ba nungai jab yam proud feel oi ba side am lei adu nan ta bida mo adu ma yam da pamak ta ba ko ko nom tang lei ba do ro ko
Bala ne ka thok du ya
se la ga dum thok ning ba do adi khuju ink lei sha beni na adu gi kang koi ba da bo ro dum chaning ba do mai ga ta bo ya de yak sang koi ba da bo ro
ha
chaning ba do
ade apan ma mayam tu madu mayam tu gi yem ga
de mayam gi attention do sik keno ta or lei di beni ne ko kai de shoi de gi ko ki de hujik matam di sai nang na hai gi do media gi keno sam chakal la bani na yam section ga da bani ai na hujik ngang gi ba wa se hayang facebook ta comment pirani edu to ni sima mayam am lei na
every step khudi mak se koi
we have to take we have to take very care of ourselves.
Okay, so I guess I'm asking some boring question. It's not, or it's interesting.
You're asking very interesting question to me, but
Seriously?
I don't know
About
how the
others.
audience
How did you feel, you people? Yeah, I need to listen to clap. I mean, please give a round of applause, whether it's nice or not nice. Yeah, I guess girls, they are boring.
Okay.
Why?
No clap from their side.
Yeah, so I'll ask 2 questions and I will further to wrap it around. It's just 2-3 questions. I guess that time they might be interesting.
Okay.
So my question is that, what is your last films that you watched, okay, that made you, I wish I was in that film? Any film either. Film the young Ruganda, acting do Uramatum, the Asigi film today, I kumum gadam Nikaya, Tamoy the first man, a power last film they give.
Film.
Yeah,
yeah. Aina kumzara madi.
Yeah, at my Kanjaba.
Lai bani.
I guess you need to take that.
Lai ni call. Yes.
Yeah.
Aingonda na ihan boy na aingonda laam ba tar adu gi film gi opportunity se ado ai senior actor che benaw na magi han ba film no oigre han ba film la kya suban lan mai than bi se
Lan mai than bi lan mai than bi so yeng birong gani khale lan mai than bi yeah, you feel regret after watching that
yeah
film.
lan mai than bi se matam du dai metric thadri aingonda assignments la me
Okay.
da koi parents na me han 10 pass tak thoko du ko film ko mo na hai ba ko ado 10 pass tor matung dai kumak pa ne film se ado film do ham ba lucky
Okay. So
to kumhong dab do yam
so yamna
do ai hai che benaw do so
okay, so ado kumam adi he na bhajagadra ma'am kari khale kari comment am da piro ne kamai
na te he du gi ni kai no mi
no, I mean
ai ne kumam ga na he na bhajane ha ba like
ma'am abinaw su yamna acting career da yamna ai bi am su yamna phava actor amane bala ma'am su yamna athoi bi amane but sang sap manane khale bala ma'am na kumaga so ma'am abinaw na kumaga so film the mahog dis up manane khale
kala next question
so yeah, I need to do it. So my next question is quite, you know,
yeah
mathangi question sidi kamai to ge matam da khoi tumam dai kum base tumam dai se kamai to ge ga bala khoi ge bala mem da khoi tumam da yam wa na ga la ga ta khoi ge khongup ge ta lak tho ga khong mo ja ge maya da sa lang tho ma tum bi ge yaw just khoi na tan ba ge ai ta just for me I did it tumam dai da just khoi ge bala asike question ja khoi sui taning am ne khale yamna silly over question like that. No, it's not about that. It's not about that. I mean like koi ge khong mo ja ge sta lang tho mo yam tan ba ge ai ta it's not tan ba ge kai nu de nai na hang ni se mioi bai pe se koi thapuk khad ma every work every thapuk masa or ga sa koi na smart or na perfect na tau ba ding am de ta just koi khong ja ta ka lang tho ma ta ka dum tum gi da phang na ta ka long tho ga adu ma ga yaw gi bro
yeah
tama yaw we ba tu gi do adu ne ba ina hang ni se adu ma thang gi na kana matam da what did you feel when unknown fan, I mean, steering you when you're watching it? I mean, when you're walking or driving at a road. So, rock to come sa pada yam stranger right there. Fan ko mana mun naga yang pada ako ge balam yang reaction jikai no ba mo daga kay feel to ge ba wakanda.
Aduy matang to siyam interesting oi ba wali im lay. Celebrity sing sina ano amu ba upis eh. Fashion gina te.
Kay gina.
Public ta chala kan mo ano amu ba dum uptra. Even any do ro ama do adu gi say na Priyanka Chopra na some magazine nam da ko man hai ba. Aina koi na no upis eh. Fashion gina te phajabai na te. Hoi nungsha mangan gi nungai ta besu yawi ko. Adu public ki matam na thola kan na koi se public ka michana bangam de. Michana bangam ngam de hai why hai ba nungai te kai ba michana di kai drop koi su mi ni kai no mayam na du da na phau ba ne khang ba ne du bala da soma du dan hai ja ba ne ba masa khang da mi na mut na yenga de khoi pi ni kai no mi ni
ado asmani yeng na kan kari feel
mana ni yeng jai ba kwa bala ne khain ta ba yeng jai ba du su sum yeng jhala di ha uncomfortable weirdness
ado ai na asmani yeng di ya ba na tro asma
ado aina adugi Priyanka Chopra na hack podo ina matau tamure kaino da dharna phamda adu hekta Facebook sida ekta viral oidana dharna phamda no pi edu tawi adha toy toraga ne tawraktana
kai no adu bo
ai di lambi pa da phambai uphun myam thawbai
ubidre ba yam koi fashion no ba
de lambi pa da mamang sumi pangchat ta chatle ba kweng yeng ba ta dik mi ni yeng amena lukthar dharna phamya da sign to pham mane bai na anok set thangal laga
okay
adu da nungala Facebook te yarak pa
okay I guess mathang kisina only two question dangar I guess you need to nang yam haguning de okay makha dum samdar ke ko akoi ge bala mem ge bucket list da yaw bai tar bala mem da I ge career da till you dead mamang da what nang the wish da thabu asi thabak sitang de ai taw ge kai na khanja ba or asi ge mafam da koi ge bo hai gera thabu am tang tongning ba bala ge mem ge bucket list da yaw ba am tang share to biram
hoi ai ngam gadra ngamoidra di khangde ko ado aina khalli singsi aina khalli basidi yamna powerful oi ba mi adagi yamna ishor gi
thokjan ta gi
magun yaw ba mi amanaga kino torom ga daba sanduom ga daba kino ne Pichvis de lady ba mi fum khudumak se nungsi chanana khanadana shanti laina adagi community amaga gi marakta
yes
shauna ba laitaba nungsi chana laiba aikhoi amatani habagi wakhallondo
yes
adu yaroi da in khalji na tra
ya be yai ai hierarchy just for me also I have a I na believe tok jabai ge principal am tang lai je just je mayam to palam adra de khang de but I na believe tok jabai ta I ge mind laksa ba asi kai nai matam da we should be positive, think positive, act positive, do positive. That time only will count that I'm a good human being. Mina patana haras aina yam panna khandok bangam ba. Adegi aina thabak taw so panna taw bangam ba. Adu erga de good human being sama oiga der khale. Nupina palakpa matam ne matam ta Indira Gandhi gi magi matik magun hainari ba. Michelle Obama adegi Ellen DeGeneres comedians mana haiba male. Be kind to one another hai na koi amaga kindness oi gadam ni kain mado balam me na balagi mem ki career gi lam si da di film de gi hai tar yamna sensible oi ba film te he na puthok pu chu oi suna khoi na so pray tawe maram de akoi gi society si da lai ba toi ba conflict nungai na da ba asi me ase film se akoi hai na ba le film is like a mirror of our society like villager to egera Manipur gi mapam khudimang ta tar ba khundar ga lei ba mipum khudimang da film yeng laga magi character sing the scenes masi gi yamna acho ba example hai ba bu akoi gi miki thi da akoi gi yangbung kai ku na MCS officer oi ba matam da even when I was in class 6 or 5 that time I MCS oi ge kana mi khudimang hai ba DC oi ge agi scorpion to ga da gi car anai ba to ga scott pitor ga isat ge kana feel to hai madu ge Manipur gi film gi impact ne ba society sida asmani am sensible oi ba film thing je hena kumba oi sano masung akoi na so pray ta way sort thank you so next rapid round at just 5 seconds da madam da ma'am da question ji khum de ne ma'am am ta khubam da khubi rapid round gi last question ji de
do rega khusanu da
ati acha ma'am da zat to de matam hele hen de ram tang hai bi ro si gi
nawa mayam khoi keno ma'am da gi su question si hangling
ya si hangling ba lai bana ai gi last word ga si gi question ji na aduga ma'am da
rapid fire round from now ba
yeah so
okay
ai harang na ba khubam da ko na tra de ya dre ba
ma'am khubam tang nawi da mukta okay
so my question is that like name any 5 city of India. Time start.
Mumbai, Delhi, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Gujarat.
Okay. I guess 5 minutes loy grabo ji kido bo. Yam thu gi bro. Pass. Okay. Myam na yar yar. Mathang jina kena matam da name any 5 boys name.
Tomba, Chauba, Khamba.
Yadra.
Michael, Robert.
But 5 seconds hand mama le sikido 7 hai 2 minutes mi yahon bi hai we already no pada amuka haige amuka tawra sa du
ai kai mai
tawra sa pass tawra sa adu fail ore tu aro bwana ya tre adu ma adu last da fill in the blank ko my favorite color is blank
purple
no I meant my so I need to say for me so my favorite color is blue so what about you
kai na hai du bo
I mean it's such a tricky I guess it's such a tricky so fill in the blank hai neba my favorite color is black I got a mango reaction to pink hyper purple hyper
blank hai du nang na
the blank hyper just I get my hyper neba I got a higher so I need to ask like for me it's blue so what about you so it's purple
yes it
yeah
is
okay thank you madam so much for attending our second alumni meet madam ki career da haitare tauru ba thabu khudmak to my papa is no ai go ni matang hide lo sin jar ge du ka koi madam ki fans sing da ge haitare question amani tang akoi lokhat che akoi microphone dom tang pass to bi du ga koi question che matang lepkhat piro dum khud thakat piro du ga dum
yani dum
asida nupi fast ama asida malai asigi sa amta siana ta che akoi introduce am tang to bi mi du ga akoi microphone dam ta bi yeah
hello
hi
I mean Nirupama Chanu adu Niru Thaudam
oh, hi Nirupama you're looking very beautiful
ai nga sai dai naw ba se microphone je mun ningam ne ba ko
ai matam je loi low gre ba kam song ram dai
adum ko lai hai ba man
okay mi song na bo yaw re nai tro
sao ri nga sai dai pi ka ma sak ka chi da lam ne khang ba song ni hai ba
okay next
question se ya ning bra yaw ne
hi bro question
Nirupama kai
khoi first da je bala dang janing se je bala na birthday numita Instagram da hani kai ka go yaw gra ba comment
it's tricky I guess difficult
kai da no
Instagram da je bala gi photo thagala ga wish ta wada thanks a lot honey na ha be yaw gra ba
yaw gra ma le
adu ai ne
okay Niru gi dang ta kubab ta kubiyo
sai da ta lai le mi
matang fan ji lo yam khalak dori asite
da hangjading ba question
last
okay ai na je bala da hangjading ba question se handak ikui dana 6M gi exam haidoki ba 2017 gi da akoina social media da kaino to phangjai ba uba phangjai ba home science da topper oina che Bala Hijam je kaino da WhatsApp ta kai da loimak uba phangjare
okay
yam nungai ta ba da so aduga sida hangjaning badi sida hangjaning ba question sina atai ate song kan artist samo ina su yam na mai pak pa ama oire education gi line da su yam na mai pa e topper oire si ani se kamaina
balance
haidi sida hidden secrets
there are so many hidden things
yeah okay
behind is a 12th floor 12th passed away is a first division that arts Manipuri public school there and then I was honored by our local MLA MLA in first division 60 above PC sat pa ma'am award p like I was also one of them and then adui matungda aise film sima se am kanna kumkhale ko ane kumkhala pa aise graduation se GP da tawme and then GP da tawmaga aise I wasn't able to like come over their exams and all because I have to attend daily classes and all I have to be a regular attendant as a student
okay
so I could not do that I could not attend the class regularly and then I went to do the South Indian movies for 3 months almost and then I missed all my exam for GP college and then adui matungda aise moina GP da ge aise marak ki exam du dai tha gen haire to school gi niom de yaw dam ni makok tai tammong haire and then makok tai tamma dai muk talle dai di chahi ahum ma pura ho gre graduation tau da bida lately handak ta ne mo nauna standard college ta graduation taure and then home science ta honors taure aduga home science ki khoi gi standard college ki khoi gi oja lecture adagi ai gi aduda pekha thaminari ba gi imanabi myam gi mateng dagi hai tare ne adugi mateng myam amna ngasi topper oirene, and I'm very proud.
ꯑꯗꯨꯅꯅꯦ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯤꯖꯥꯏꯁꯦ
Thank you, Nirupama.
ꯑꯝꯇꯪ
Okay.
ꯑꯝꯇꯪ ꯁꯤ
Yes.
ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯦꯟꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯏꯠꯇꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯕꯦꯁ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯦꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯃꯤꯇꯥꯂꯤ ꯁꯒꯣꯜꯁꯦ ꯃꯥꯁꯨ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯂꯥꯏꯐꯁꯦ ꯌꯦꯡꯖꯔꯤ ꯃꯥꯁꯦ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯔꯨꯁꯤꯌꯥꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯥꯅ she sends a lot of love from Russia ꯆꯤꯆꯦꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯆꯤꯆꯦꯅ ꯁ꯭ꯀ꯭ꯔꯤꯟꯗ flying kiss ꯑꯝꯇꯪ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯣ ꯍꯥꯏ
ꯑꯗꯨꯅꯦ camera thi.
Camera ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯁꯥꯏꯗ ꯃꯌꯥꯏꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯦ.
This is for you, Mitali.
Hi, Mitali. Lots of love from my side too. Stay healthy, be healthy.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯧꯊꯣꯛꯑꯦ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ YouTube ꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯝꯁꯦ full coverage live ꯇꯧꯕꯅꯦ. ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯒꯤ biggest comment ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯈꯜꯂꯦ. ꯑꯗꯣ next question ꯑꯝꯇꯪ ꯈꯨꯠ ꯑꯝꯇꯪ ꯊꯥꯡꯒꯠꯄꯤꯔꯣ. Yeah, here. ꯃꯤꯡ ꯑꯝꯇꯪ introduce ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯌꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ question. ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯑꯁꯣꯝꯗ ꯑꯝꯇꯪ ꯂꯦꯞꯄꯤꯌꯣ. Madam,
Yeah.
Microphone damtang check tawbiyo.
Aina
Yeah.
Hogi actress bala da hangjaning singa sai wangang ba space ta yaugi ba adu dagi ko torogai hangjaning bai tare ngasai bala na highway gi da hogi Manipur da lairiba angang sing hai tare ne si matang thabak khar tawning bai wafam khara pandi gi tawbudi ngam da bai tare adu problems khara highway gre adu khona dum thengna jaba da in Hollywood ki sadum actress myam adum public ki servant to myam lai even Injala Jolie haro mana worldwide ki oina refugee oina lai raba angang singi ma huge amount thadaraga mana ngam jaba contribution tawi
Yeah.
andagi dum Priyanka Chopra su tawi sai balance happy gre Priyanka Chopra ge adu tawi adu akhona de Manipur da di sumba mamang da actress myam lai ga som gi line sida kya changsilakte haija tare ese ai journalist amoina
Journalist.
Puina thabak tor pune dum ai thengna jabai tare adu balana sang sai ki tawninga ga su tawbangam da bagi matan khidang hai adu da ga tawbangam dena dum ai gi siding ngasai question ate ji khidang khena dine ko sida khidang impose tawbina ba khidang step da lobi ho adu tawbangam dri se tawge khalaga tawbangam dri khidang mu da habi gre khidang clear oina de phoi sida
ngasai ge na haija kiba awareness regarding drugs abusers
drug abuse ki se sida koi big issue mo ore dana marang na handa so angang nifu ga nga phawa de chief minister na rehabilitation center thamgodam na habagi ama so tawre adu taw ada as a celebrity amona tawraga de public ki domain interest se yam kona lak ne khanja batare sigi matang se khidang comment khidang pibi wa aduga sigi step se khidang sanction view as a journalist amona ai so angom mateng pangjaga hajaning ba
thank you so much and matam do lak pakanda I'll surely contact you personally.
Yeah, and us also.
Yam thuna
association
step to paikhat pangam ba oizage mayam gi mating dagi hai tar and need lots of support aina haiba do lekai gi kai gi aina mi lekai ma da chatlaga si thousand har ya pote ba because akoi de laiba akoi yumdang nam de laiba ai surrounding da hana gyan ta bam da ka ta ba
mi gi sumang sitana
mane akoi gi sumang hana sitana mi gi
asikadam ha. Okay, next question am ta khut thangat pi akoi fan. Okay, asi na lokhat kya. Oh yeah, happy. Coming dum tang hana happy.
I am Ajit Maratham. I balada kan undang jage na thola ni kam. Kasi I ju balada adi mage acting kan undang pam jawa. Ada thabak cha ka da sa da dum ngasi Alumni ji aw lai ram. Ada ngasai gi akoi ledin na hangam ba question du gi makha ta boina. Akoi balana akoi hojik society da ngausin na ba dini sa sa ba me am lai na. Ado balana har di to ka da me ju yaw ri ba. Balana screen gi
Ya, kumanda ko biyo se.
You thai ba noi mayam goli sar ba mayam dong ta topi or dong ta screen dong ta
live dong ta hai se.
ba.
Haido krase ti. Phavane na.
Adune nisa chaba se amna fattaba habit amne masi miyoi na poga adugi thabak adugi li chat to chat kada banate yam thina ngange moi mayam do Tina ngangena su saugano adomgi fana bane haizari base adomgi tungi kana na bane adomgi punsi nung sang na bane adomgi makha taba na ki na chana su sing na matau tamza na bane nisha thadok piyu
Hello
society se drugs free adagi
ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯗ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯄꯥꯝꯖꯩꯕꯅ ꯐꯤꯂꯝꯒꯤ ꯗꯥꯏꯂꯣꯛꯇꯅ ꯉꯥꯡꯕꯤꯌꯣ ꯁꯤꯅꯦ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ
ꯐꯤꯂꯝꯒꯤ ꯗꯥꯏꯂꯣꯛꯇ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ
ꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯁꯥꯕꯤ
ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤꯗꯨꯗ ꯈꯔ ꯑꯦꯛꯇꯤꯡ ꯇꯧꯁꯟꯕ
ꯂꯦꯞꯈꯠꯂꯒ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯁꯤꯔꯥ ꯂꯦꯞꯈꯠꯂꯒ ꯃꯇꯧ ꯃꯥꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯦꯕ ꯁꯤꯗꯤ
ꯅꯪꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯛꯑꯒꯦꯀꯣ
ꯑꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯣ
ꯅꯪ ꯀꯥꯏꯀꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯣ
ꯌꯥꯏ
ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯒꯤꯗꯣ ꯏꯃꯥ ꯂꯃꯟ ꯁꯤꯡꯉꯝꯗ꯭ꯔꯦꯒꯤ ꯀꯥꯏꯀꯨ
ꯕꯣꯅꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯍꯜꯂ ꯏꯃꯥ ꯂꯪꯉꯝ ꯁꯤꯡꯉꯝꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ
이마기 라만 싱엄제라 가이쿠나 니샤 잡아도 마윰다기 게노 떠라가 아두가 라스타 liver cirrhosis 나라가 래 시기버도
오케이 그만 랩도네
아이제 아두기 신두다 야우기드레고 시 필름세 아두이 합잘라게 바 누피즈나 데도 마니 샤자 이제 캉드레나 거 마나 구리가 파버도 로살라가 떠오이다 아두 캉악 보이레 바스나마다 시남다 캉그레 kay bado in kano maming do yamong kay kuy maming do film do da
Thanil
natte imay lang on singa da something dalem natte
danaw mo kauro eh
danaw ba kauro na natte okay hoy yare danaw ba kauro ge man kor nang ni sajai ya komo nang ni sajai ya
kay na sibo
nang ni sajai khangama dine ai nang koina moi khangaba ni sajaba mi ma ai nu bai bai ke supam de khange dana ni sajaba na kai kana ba biri ge na te samaj sida society sida ni sajaba na kari afa ba message biri ge ba kari kana ba biri ge ba
pida
ni sajaba de gi na tro mama ma pa oi ba kaya ma wari se ni sajaba de gi na tro
Nice.
Thank you. Next question, fam. Yam interesting ba question ay tare. Matang taw pero. Ako introduce samtang ano to.
Aigi ming Sunil. Koi balade hang janing si balana South movie ma film am kum gi ba. Maming de khang jau dre.
Maming da be hai gro. To gi. Yam sang ba ni shele.
నీలాకాశం పచ్చకడల్ చువన్న భూమి
అంతం తమ్ము నే ఉజికి
నీలాకాశం పచ్చ బదల
blue sky green ocean red earth haba nila akasham పచ్చకడల్ చువన్న భూమి
okay thank you
whatever
ado da aapka sorry ado ki film du da adom ko actor hoiba opposite hoigi actor do yam South Tollywood ta khwai de superstar amagi machang pan ne ado film du aina yeng mo matek ma yeng jawe full de yeng jaw dre ai gi wakhan yam phajai ne khalle adu mutung da Tollywood ta gi tokro ma le ko spela se lep kro ma le du mutung
adu matung da gi ngonda offer ma la e mo
Tollywood ta ge to
Malayalam ge mo adu daina songi schedule su chin baga dai khoi songi schedule sam pharak tai ba commitment pi ge khoi budget pik pa chaw du na makhalam ne ba mingona commitment am piram maga ina hen bam phange ne na chatlu ba ya ba na te ba pamung syam gi documentary ani humai thangna na kum haude ba kaigna da ina som da commercial film da commitment pi gi do adu na maram ga likewise minus schedule problem like re and then company do like kaino do ina phasna kham da tar ga di ma pan chala thabak to ba ha bisna ta bului da na ko ai tu mayam am lai gra
lora ba akoi mathang question hangada bale ai mi matang aswai da lep ki bam tang uida asige akoi marang torang asi manam tang hanaku microphone tap pass ya kai do yam yarok tori question ji kamai to ne akoi mi manga
good evening everyone I school sidagi 2008 batch ni ngasi sumai to alumni thorom sida saruk yabi tamang I appreciate towi
mingam tang hai introduce something to
moirang them arun khangawok tagini ngasi gi thorom si lakpi ko dama akoi actress balada ina thawai ta nam tang han dam nokpi o thank you bros aduga aroi bada aun tang thawai ta na kapi o
no kapaya de nungai ba no mine ba side adum de kai khale
kapo haira
skap ba yes apa mane adu tawra adu yeng ase
kap kano pi pam de pita da vida kapag
Next, okay. Asida arang balik pa demam tang yang kuy mana.
Som dali.
Na aswam doy na laki lao ya dreba yang muna ba siya.
Ay na ay question na yari ko.
Ming am tang hang.
Ay gaming malayungan ba aduga ay school sida class 6 tegina 12 forward ay school sida tamjarap kani. Jeda ina hangningi je kemta natte akhoi gi laikai du da imanaba jing haigadra ama leba sibu yam ngausaba hek to boy parga balai number mta piyo balai number du piyo na adum lak bai tare ni ado akhoi ju ko ngau reba kanai number piraga balani haigadu no se akhoi du ko ngau ngau leba ado imanaba se ma isai yam pamjaba ado ma se apho labi ronda akhoi na semning ba se bala se thengna laga se bala na hairaga semna phabra natraga akhoi karamba mawong da tawraga ma afaba lambi da semgadagi sin
yam lui my question ji kai noi si bo ai bong ngaw si di
nate hojiki mi se yamna kano khara lamhen ba raba
ma se isai no mai de am thoy usabani adu imung je ma se kitang wayong sa da imung so ba
maming kari ai dino balane
ma gina maming de laba
laba si da labina ma hairo
laba na ngaw snai se kaino man tai se
ma ngaw se ni se bala
balare
laba nang yam ngaw sna nu nang phone number yam pa manga de ina ta lao khoyum da lao lao aina piroi da balaite and ai una ninga so dum mostly welcome now busla e dum changal le cha ga thangmine cha bot ka chamine
ado aina
mai tau se laba ko
ado aina sida hujik torije ma live loi thadoi ni dra ai yume yoba hujiki laba sida balaki mana nangi da makta sumaina hai haibodo yangang gadui ne ba adu sumaina mafam kaya dasu sebalabu pamjaba ngaujaba mayam leiramba yaiba masi jingje tabada sebala ki thamoi da kari phaubi ba kesin
asudi yam hungry naina sunga sai
sorry aina ta hauda bai ni ko
adu amta ga haidokro adudi hujiki ai de sebala ki pamjaba harauba mayam sina sigum pirak pada sebala ki thamoi da kari phaubi gesin
adudi adum harau tam ni keno mi amna nushibiraga nushi adagi sebala nang yam phajai bala nang yam phajai phajana film kung ko nei nga pan ginu ko etc
thank you ai question sila lo
next khoi arang ba free ki do si mang ngasa hau ba dagi lekhat kre do ji hangi sin
last question or sira
next lai ri mi am tang lai lai tre ko
yare ko
aji question am tang hangjagi na kuchi ahum la thanga jaw ne do hangbai ta jaji
mari rang
mari la thanga jaw ne
ai masing ti ye
ai question ji sebala di yamna lu ba question gi oina khalam ne ko yamna chamma question ne hangjadui je koi hojik manipur ji da maitai chanura amone sebala na ko koi gi maitai chanura je atopa nal local jing da mayum pan ba je kanna channa bi mo khalai ba sida mayum pali chandan local sida mayum pali je sebala gi wakhalon da masi yaningbra yaningdabra adom tang haibiyo ba koi media gi mangda
ai gi mota di atopa community amada atopa lon ngangba nupa ma da laiba natraga nupi lauba se kasu problem laite en khalle kai do bagi khoina pakhatori gi like
masida problem laite la takbi ba ko
kai do bagi pakhatori gi haibe maramdi akhoi gi chapkhana ba thabak to lore akhoi tawi thabak tu da bhajan to lore akhoi chawkhatla lore akhoi masen yokhana ga laira lore akhoi mut khidore na mangbai ki ro like that's a big question nasai naraldo nasana uthok chabane ba dudi natro
sadura kana to pada mayum pan bagi luhong bagi photo facebook ta thagat ba khangde facebook ki page ama thag phangde moi hekta sida bi ba mayang da mayum pale kai
really against that I
yaning ji jige maram da ko gi wahi preng ani ahum dang tang haibiro
yaning da bai maram do dunai ba
yaning de
kai da wai pakhali no akoi masing handare na pakhalira masing handare iduna kari gino na haira gane kari gino thijallaga ne kamaina kai de sotha reino na thijallaga Shotha dana buhat na ba, adum rom doi na onjan seba. Kagina habide koi for example adu han thara idu kagina mi na mi masing sume hengalai se kagino economy da growth like khalai se kagino develop to khalai se kagino koi na shotha reis na kagino adum badoi ne injhala lai se kagino.
Adu go sebala se koi ki maitai da pangina khanbra na traga na loken da pangina khanbra.
Ai na khoi nuksi ban pa da dai dum lai ni maitai habile te ma habile.
Thank you.
Aduga one more question. Aduga hojik sebala ga ek state selfie ama kamina ba ya bra simaga ani suba
selfie do horan kumdhara ka pase
thank you
okay aroi badai tare
loishala se let's end this
aroi ba last akoi man
Balana ngasi akhoi second alumni meet 2007 da lengbirapase duki matik tungai aduga balagi contribution Manipur film industries amasung balana women empowerment da pibiri bathauna asgumba contribution se thagat pa ma oina aigi side te ki balada aina ngamba presentation amtang pizage ko
thank you ma'am ahong kubam ta kubi dina madam ko
yam nungai bala third alumni meet su sung soi soi dana la boy biu ko hoi
presentation
okay thank you cash amount ni ko yam jaga su bala na la okay very thank you
sai phi phazaba ma indi
adu aina thawai ta na balagi da mak ta lei biru ni ko
and then hoi
matang puthong na ado akhoi photo amtang ka pa akhoi sir Roman
but see do hoi ina mo hoi adagi madam hoi
family hai ta le ko khoi
adu photo amta madam ta
marak thana kinom ta thamgi mi naw burang bo
oh hai biro
hoi akhoi gi first lady ma'am na su appreciate me am tawbigre adagi Sir Roman principal and ina ma Sir Roman gi wife
Sir chairman mentor
Moina Pibiri Bank, when the token of like say I will transfer this to Alumni Association account. So I'm transferring this sum of money to Mr. Nauba. Nangasai founder na su honorable founder na su train gi something makok ne hana hai gre nang.
Thank you so much.
Bala se amna thamoi chao ka.
Ai tahu ko sih hai betul. Ai mayam jo hang ne ju right now not as a principal ai alumni amoi na ai su balada ai wahang han mada ai gi waklon da haje ge Manipur film actress singi manung da han ba ai na kai favorite oi basi koi lai kidraba koi se sima mathang the next to se sima bala only right now till right now si forward da Manipur film actress singi manung da every expect over level da act over rakwa expect over level da performance bi rakwa se koi ai wakhani ko not for everybody ado ai balagi da muta hobak pam dong khobi umyam
thank you Sir Roman thank you everyone
aduga koi gi tamusa gi ibesa gi low to the low gi ba kai gi balagi performance so that is marvelous outstanding ai ngasi boba ai Manipur film industry gi koi actress amtra madu gumba koi am outstanding performance to ngasi boba pi gi dre na ai madu mata ai thamjage loina na koi gi thabaton tu da su balagi performance balagi look aduki matuk ai appreciate tawjari to mayam sing punna samjan jaraga koi balada gi yamna balagi most favorite piece of dialogue kai tare
dialogue along with isai amaga dance matiam ta yam sang de just 5 or 10 seconds
that's I will left to the bala aduga ai gi side gi
sar ge dialogue sa hai to khra aduga isai am dance
dialogues
most favorite why the gi
sabaton gi hai si ai ke
dialogue sai ko ni the cows okay kino tawage handaki kino o apangana film am nammi aduda ina basok sakpi nupi masai aduda nupa se tonthoi sina mu police sai ma ga iga se nupa se muna doine ba nang na phanayam na ne nangi oina bu honarasu ne hoiraroi adai ma nang haire adai tonthoi nang haire hoine nang na ne nangi ne khanjari bado adudi ne aigi ne aigi aina ne puning mafam da pudoi ba aduda nang na kai dau ngam dorege aina haire yeng na ba tare da na kana na mapu kana na minai adai ma nang haire nang na minai aina mapu thank you
Madam gini
okay dialogue tangang age because have they do the ina tau giba perform though like I will not be comfortable with my costume which I'm wearing today tamoyai aina bunusi
thank you bala yam makha tabasu bala mayam mi goina seva to boy biu aduga ngasi phajari bas maina sahi cha muk se phajaboi biu thank you
hoi jage thank you
ngai ki se dop tang tau se kai na ti da madam si yaw ga
Oh.
madam yam dance tau ba kai no tau madam yaw I think sa hai ki tar akoi share se tang lam thok pe ngai ki se gi aten ba
Ado isay character ra.
nat tharok tu ni
Ma. Oh.
adop tang tau ngai ki se gi
Matik tang sa ke ko. Apha ba
madam
matik.
si yaw di ne
Hoi hoi yeah.
madam si yaw di
Khang le nào nữa
madam tu sao ma pa de hoi hoi khara sak na hai ba yaw ri akoi isai ge thawram chu lai ri ye mayam balabo haingai lai tena thagat chari ngasi gi program ase aduki matik nungai kre akoi thindong na bam tang
Mayam som dang aktang nation bi akoi award macha award amatang watli award amatang aktang phambi akoi get laibi ba akoi alumni nuksi jere alumni sing akoi kemlo mengi sahi kuding gi yamna merit leiraba talent leiraba mahiroi kaya akoi gi reputed institution sing da selection phangiba mayam ama yaukre handak sahi da kha kemlo ming higher secondary school kha boga tamlamba Khabok Sorwang Madagi Ningthojam Rapsan Singh Mahangna IIT Kanpur selection phangakpada Camp Blooming Alumni Association ni Maikai digi yamna sorry IIT Kharagpur Camp Blooming Alumni Association ni Maikai digi yamna samjaraba khudol masa amadang Daromen Saromen Kumar Mangang Principal Camp Blooming Higher Secondary School Khabok bu stage ta thokpiraga Rapsan da mana asibu khudol bibina bagi dam nolong hangachari Loina na tanja si da akoi gi Manipur Jebala ga su ngasai gi IIT Kharagpur gi selection phangaba bala sorry Rapsan Ningthojam ga award photo masa amadang Daromen na pibiraga award pibiraga group photo amdang lobina ba Rapsan no su stage ka kwachari aduga Saromen busu aduga loina na Tamo Ningthojam Ranjit Singh mahak na su mahaki ngamjaba gi masa ama Rapsan da loina na punna piminaraga ni Saromen Sar Stage Kakat Piro Rapsan Amasung Chebalai Stage Kakat Piro Award Se Puna Seminars Aduga Luna Luna Tamoran Jijing 1999 batch ki most senior most alumni ngasi ke lapi wi namang mahak pusu tagat pa pongdok seri
hello
aduga Luna Luna na Tamo Santa Tamo Azid aduga makoy ki 1999 amasung 2000 batch ki makoy na Rapsan bu manapi wada makoy busu yauraga habidi makok nan thabiraga punna tanja adu lominarasi
koi hai riba koi ko khacha ba se poi punna di ko khacha ning mane du state si sizing matung ina yengjaraga represent of boina koi 2000 pawgi 2002 pawgi koi mamangi koi gi base ki koi yawi riba koi alumni sing thopiraga koi punna gi represent tawraga koi rapsan gi sugum laba IIT Kharagpur da koi sakhi ga doraba koi rapsan da school sida tampiramba school sigi alumni member am su oibiriba koi koi rapsan da angamba alumni gi site gi mateng khara khoina pangjaba si mayam punna koi mateng pibina si haibaduni makhata na koi rapsanna makhata na tamugodori ba IIT gi sigumba line sida mikok thongboi raktuna lamdam sigi amasung school sigi mingsat pubirak po isunu haiba poto thamjage thank you
thank you Rapsan Ningthaujam Kamluming Higher Secondary School da mahi tamlawa matung da Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Pune da class 12 hek loiraba matung IITG gi entrance exam da Manipuri macha ahum khanbada first attempt da mai palakraba mahaki trade na aerospace ekoina aircraft na chingba tongan tongan ma saba tongan tongan ba engineering line da marks IIT Kharagpur da selection phanglaba Kamluming Higher Secondary ge alumni ni ahuba kubam tang ni jare wish you all the best in the future Rapsan
ahan bada Saromen principal mahak na Rapsan bu cash prize bibigani Rapsan kitang mamang na
whenever Sir Robin 5,000 gi cash prize samtang akoy Rapsan da sinabi aduga
mayam hawro ba kubab de kobiyo
akoy marak sida akoy yamba akoy gi alumni da gi haitare da Sunil basic inspector oi ba mana lising ama hap kar aduga mathang 500 akoy dalenin na matang akoy tasarat na 500 ki mana ama mayam hawbo kubab
matang aduga Rapsan ni yamna nungsiba wari amana ma coaching classes amata yaudana exams de clear to wangam kiwani Madugi na magtasu Rapsan bu tungi future da yamna bright wish you a very bright future
aduga akoy tajin na 500 kama matang yamakka dori tai aduga akoy taranjin na 1000 gi
matang da taranjin na maki give ama hana dagi sem duna le taranjin habatan
give ta betang asoda puthok give we 1000 hai taranjit ki
sumna Kamluming dagi haukraba akhoi da tawgiba da abasu Kamluming ge alumni mayam na punchin duna sumaina mateng pang ba sigumna makhata abadasu asowa thaba kaya charity gumba charitable activities kaya makhata na su torokigani amasung alumni khudimang na masibu support of
thank you oh ya balagi side dagi amtang warol amatang hai tar
Ningthaujam, Rapsan, wishing you all the very best for your bright future.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Kaina khoi je isai masa ma yauri mayam isai sakada bakha leiri aroi bagi ai tar closing song maka program sa thesa khoi instruments sing pangkhan na bagi damak tar khoi marang na lai tar gadi ta samom tang stage sa khalaga instruments in the setup to biro okay ladies and gentlemen akhoi isai ja haudring gi mamang da mayam na yam kuina ngai raga leira ba hai tare akhoi gi 2013 batch tagi alumni marak tagi dance taw na bagi damak tar amak tang kokthok sage mingona panjarabada James ki damak tar mayam hauraba khoba khubi duna James ki jagoi sathek se mayam enjoy to minas